Okay guys, so this is going to be the existing HVAC system that we are looking at. We're looking at a 75,000 BTU Duquesne furnace, and I believe it's going to be a 410 fan. It's quite a small cabinet space though. It's a 14.5 width system. You go all the way up from the bottom of this guy to the top though. You have 82 inches of clearance all the way up to this point right here. You do have a bit of a transition for this guy, a high efficiency takeoff, which is great. You have a 3-ton coil on top, and you have 2-inch PVC running to 3-inch PVC for these exhaust and fresh airs, which are just going out here. So the cold air return on this guy is gigantic though. We're looking at a 25 by, I believe it's a 14.5 width cold air return drop, which is crazy for the size of furnace that we're looking at. You have a 25 by 20 by 1 filter access right here. Due to the size of this guy though, some big changes that we're most likely going to make is just going to be cutting this guy right here, putting a base can, a filter rack assembly right here, sealing this off so it's a little bit easier for them to change out, and better filtration so nothing really bypasses that for them. Also the drain system. This furnace one actually, you can't really see where it's going to. It actually has a drain behind here on the water heaters. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it drops right down right here. And my just big issue for that is if it ever floods over anything, it's going to be behind the water heaters. You won't really see it until it's kind of too late. So what I would like to do is just go ahead and reroute that to here. I've already talked with Linda. She doesn't care which way we go, so let's just go ahead and do that, tie it in with the AC, and that'll do just fine for this. So that's it for the drain line system. You have the electrical, and this is the switch for the furnace, which is a little bit loose. Go ahead and tighten that up for them if we end up doing the system for them. As well as you have the natural gas with the shutoff right here. And that is going to be basically everything. You have the line set for the coil running up here. I don't think we're going to need to change any of that. I believe it is the R410A. I could be wrong. Yes, I am wrong. It's R22 on that system. But other than that, the system will probably widen out to about 21.5 inches wide or 17.5 minimum, which you have plenty of space on either side. We might just need to move the gas line a little bit and move the PVC, but you have easily 5-6 inches right here to adjust with. So that's everything here.